We'll have to check when we come back if they. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think, Sarah? I don't know if you can get a shot of this, but you can see how the animals have walked on it, and then it's frozen. Like there's tracks. You see? Like here and here.
Well, why don't you tell us about it? What happened?
No, it looks like it had some traffic and then it froze. Good job. It looks like